Why to fast during Navratra? This is a question asked by so many sadhaks. One of our sadhak asked, Devi is a mother, Ma. Why a mother would want her child to starve? Well, Devi doesn't want you to starve. Devi never asked you to be hungry. There are two meanings of fast. One is upvas. Upvas, which means to sit near Paramatma, to stay near Paramatma. Up mein vas karna. Same way when we keep fast for Karwa Chauth, it is like to stay near your spouse. When we do fasting for Ahoy Ashtami, stay near your child. Same way, stay near Devi. Think about her. Offer prayers to her. Accept her in totality. Let all her wisdom come to you. So Upavas means cut yourself from all the worldly pleasures and bring your awareness to Paramatma. And more you are inclined towards food, more and more you're just thinking about food, you will be able to spend less time in sadhana. That's why it's called Upavas. Another meaning of Upavas is Vrat, which means to be firm of something, to take a resolution, to make a promise to yourself. Now, there are several ways of doing Vrat. One way is you take a resolution, I'm not going to eat outside for 9 days. You will be surprised to know there are so many countries where you don't get the specific fasting food, and people, they take a resolution of not eating non-vegetarian food, to stay vegetarian for 9 days and to not eat outside for 9 days. So it depends on your level of sadhana. There are few who do 9 days of no grain fasting, that I would not take any grain. They would eat singara, they would eat sabudana, sago and other fruits. There are few who would just do falahar, only fruits for 9 days. There are few who would just observe fasting with long, just water. I would be taking only water for 9 days. So it depends on your level of self-control, that what way you want to observe fasting. Fasting is not something which is forced on anyone. Moreover, it has been proved scientifically. We are the civilization, the Mahan Sanatan Parampara, which has given the concept of fasting to the whole world. And today science has accepted that it is very important to perform fasting if you really want to stay healthy. And they are performing it with different names, whether you call it intermittent fasting or weekly fasting or any other fasting. Earlier there was a myth that your metabolism rate goes down when you fast, but now it has been proved that your metabolism rate goes high. You are detoxified when you perform fasting. You had been performing fasting since ages, whether it is about Monday fasting, Tuesday fasting, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, any day of the week, sometimes twice a week, and especially at the time of Navratra. Navratra falls at the time when weather is changing, and at this time it is very important that you keep yourself safe from the viruses and infections, and for that it is recommended that you should eat sattvic. You should not eat out. You should not eat any such food which can be contaminated, which can have any kind of virus or infection. That's why we even perform yajna at this time. Hence, it is very scientific to perform fasting, to follow fasting during this time, but not as a treat that you are eating whole day, but rather as a vrat, a sankalp, a resolution, and as upavas, because it keeps you light so that your consciousness can go higher and higher, especially at these 9 sacred days.